Is castor oil the secret to flawless skin, or just another overhyped trend? In this video, dermatologist Dr. Dre reveals the top 5 benefits of castor oil for your face. First of all, let's discuss what makes castor oil so powerful. Castor oil is a unique skincare ingredient with a rich chemical composition that contributes to its effectiveness. Castor oil is a nutrient-dense oil derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. Its primary component is ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that makes up around 85 to 90% of the oil's composition. This unique compound is responsible for many of castor oil's properties, including its rich texture, humectant nature, and ability to soothe and nourish the skin. Unlike other plant-based oils, castor oil has a rare molecular structure that allows it to deeply penetrate the skin, making it a valuable addition to skincare. Apart from ricinoleic acid, castor oil contains oleic acid, linoleic acid, stearic acid, and palmitic acid. Oleic acid is known for its moisturizing abilities, while linoleic acid supports the skin barrier. Stearic and palmitic acids provide an emollient effect. These fatty acids work synergistically to improve moisture retention and maintain skin elasticity. Additionally, castor oil is packed with tocopherols, vitamin E, flavonoids, and phytochemicals, which offer antioxidant properties. These compounds help neutralize free radicals. The presence of triglycerides further enhances its conditioning and protective abilities, making castor oil an excellent natural remedy for dry and sensitive skin. Its viscous consistency and unique composition distinguish it from other oils, allowing it to form a protective barrier on the skin while delivering essential nutrients. This rich biochemical profile makes castor oil a staple in many skincare and hair care formulations. Now, let's explore its top 5 benefits. Number 1. Castor oil stands out for its deep moisturization and skin barrier repair. Picture this. You've tried dozens of moisturizers, serums, and creams, but nothing seems to keep your skin hydrated for long. It either dries out too quickly or feels greasy. This is where castor oil comes in as a game changer. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil deeply hydrates the skin while locking in moisture. Unlike some oils that just sit on the surface, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin to nourish from within. Dr. Dre explains that castor oil works as an occlusive, meaning it forms a protective barrier over your skin to prevent water loss. This makes it perfect for dry, flaky, or compromised skin barriers. If you suffer from conditions like eczema or psoriasis, castor oil can be especially beneficial. It soothes irritation and reduces dryness, creating a more balanced and comfortable skin environment. Plus, since it's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores, even people with oily skin can use it in moderation. Imagine your skin drinking up moisture like a parched plant finally getting rain. That's the magic of castor oil's hydrating power. Number 2. Castor oil has natural anti-inflammatory power for acne and redness. Now, if you're someone who struggles with acne, redness, or skin inflammation, you might be wondering, is it safe to use an oil on acne-prone skin? Surprisingly, yes. Dr. Dre highlights that castor oil contains powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a fantastic addition to acne-prone skincare routines. The secret lies in its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, which has been shown to help fight acne-causing bacteria like Propionibacterium acnes. If your skin often flares up due to breakouts, castor oil's calming effect can help reduce redness and swelling. Think of it as a gentle, soothing balm that fights inflammation while still keeping your skin hydrated. Unlike harsher acne treatments that strip your skin of its natural oils, castor oil works in harmony with your skin's natural defenses. This makes it an excellent alternative for people with sensitive skin who react badly to conventional acne treatments. Number 3. Enhancing collagen production for anti-aging benefits. What if I told you that castor oil could help keep your skin firm, youthful, and wrinkle-free? Aging is inevitable, but the right skincare can slow down its visible effects. Collagen is the key protein responsible for keeping our skin plump and elastic, but as we age, its production declines, leading to sagging, fine lines, and wrinkles. According to Dr. Dre, castor oil plays a crucial role in stimulating collagen and elastin production, helping to maintain skin firmness and elasticity. What makes castor oil truly special is its deeply hydrating nature. By delivering intense moisture, it plumps up the skin, making fine lines appear less noticeable over time. Unlike synthetic anti-aging serums that rely on fillers, castor oil nourishes the skin from within, providing long-lasting hydration and promoting natural rejuvenation. To incorporate castor oil into your anti-aging routine, try gently massaging a few drops onto your face every night. This simple step not only ensures that your skin absorbs all the essential nutrients, but also boosts blood circulation, enhancing skin repair. With consistent use, castor oil can help you maintain a youthful glow, proving that sometimes nature holds the best skincare secrets. Number 4. Brightening dark spots and evening out skin tone. Liking this so far? Subscribe now, and let's keep going. Hyperpigmentation is one of the most frustrating skin concerns, but castor oil may offer a natural solution. Dark spots, uneven skin tone, and lingering acne marks can make achieving a clear complexion challenging. However, Dr. Dre highlights castor oil as a gentle yet effective remedy. Thanks to its rich blend of fatty acids and antioxidants, castor oil helps fade hyperpigmentation over time by promoting skin cell turnover. This process encourages fresh, healthy skin to replace damaged or pigmented areas, leading to a brighter, more even complexion. Unlike harsh chemical-based brightening treatments that can cause irritation, castor oil provides a soothing, natural alternative. While it doesn't deliver overnight results, consistent use can gradually improve discoloration without the risk of excessive dryness or sensitivity. Simply massage a few drops into affected areas daily, allowing its nourishing properties to penetrate deep into the skin. Picture your skin as a canvas being gently restored to its most vibrant and flawless state. With patience and dedication, castor oil can help you achieve a radiant glow, proving that nature's remedies often hold the key to long-lasting beauty. Number 5. Supporting healthy eyebrows, eyelashes, and under-eye care. Beyond your skin, castor oil is also a secret weapon for enhancing eyelashes and eyebrows. If you've been struggling with sparse brows or thinning lashes, you're not alone. Many people turn to expensive serums and treatments, but Dr. Dre suggests that castor oil can be a simple, natural alternative. Packed with vitamins, proteins, and antioxidants, castor oil nourishes hair follicles, promoting healthier and fuller-looking brows and lashes. Its deeply hydrating nature also helps prevent hair breakage, allowing lashes to grow longer and brows to appear thicker over time. But the benefits don't stop there. The delicate under-eye area can also benefit from castor oil's moisturizing and plumping effects. If you deal with dark circles or fine lines, applying a tiny amount of castor oil before bed can improve skin hydration, making the area look brighter and smoother. To incorporate castor oil into your routine, use a clean mascara wand or cotton swab to apply a small drop to your lashes and brows each night. Gently pat any excess oil around your under-eye area for added nourishment. With regular use, you may start to notice a more defined brow shape, longer lashes, and refreshed under-eyes. No expensive treatments required. While castor oil offers numerous benefits for the skin, it's important to be aware of its potential side effects. One of the most common side effects is skin irritation and allergic reactions. Castor oil is highly concentrated, and some people may experience redness, itching, or rashes after application. If irritation occurs, discontinue use immediately. Another potential issue is clogged pores and breakouts, especially for individuals with acne-prone or oily skin. Although castor oil has antibacterial properties, its thick consistency may trap dirt and bacteria, leading to blackheads or pimples. Additionally, overuse of castor oil can cause dryness or peeling instead of hydration. Since it has strong astringent properties, excessive application may strip the skin's natural oils, leading to flakiness. It's best to use castor oil in moderation and monitor how your skin responds. In rare cases, castor oil may cause eye irritation if applied too close to the eyes. If you're using it for lashes or brows, be careful to avoid direct contact with your eyes. Now the question arises, how do I incorporate it into my routine? Here are some dermatologist-approved tips. To get the most out of castor oil without any unwanted side effects, it's important to use it correctly. Always choose cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil to ensure that you're applying the purest form to your skin. This helps avoid unnecessary chemicals or additives that may cause irritation. If you have sensitive skin, consider diluting it with a carrier oil like jojoba or rosehip oil. These lightweight oils not only make castor oil easier to spread, but also enhance its nourishing benefits. Since castor oil is naturally thick and rich, a little goes a long way. Using just a few drops is enough to provide deep hydration without making your skin feel greasy. The best time to apply castor oil is at night, allowing it to work overnight while your skin undergoes its natural repair process. This helps maximize absorption and ensures you wake up with softer, more hydrated skin. Before fully incorporating castor oil into your routine, it's always a good idea to perform a patch test. Apply a small amount on a less visible area of your skin to check for any allergic reactions. By following these simple steps, you can safely enjoy all the benefits of castor oil without worrying about irritation or clogged pores. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of castor oil for your skin. This natural remedy has so much to offer. But remember, skincare is personal. What works wonders for one person may not be the perfect match for another. If you're thinking about adding castor oil to your routine, start slow. Do a patch test and see how your skin responds. Consistency is key, and with time, you might just notice a healthy, radiant glow. Have you tried castor oil before? Let me know your experience in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and expert-backed advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.